If you're struggling to build and maintain a good credit score, especially as an immigrant, you are not alone. I was once a victim, but today the situation is different. So if you stay with me till the end of this video, I will be revealing some of the strategies that help me build an amazing credit score and maintain that credit score over a short period of time. So welcome to this channel. In this channel, we review and dissect personal finance challenges and successes, especially with regards to immigrants in a new country like Canada, US, Australia, UK, and the rest of them. My name is Alvin, but you can call me Goodrich. So let's dive deep. Now, the first strategy that helped me build my credit score was credit utilization. So after I got my credit card, the first thing I was intentional about was to manage my credit utilization. So I ensure that I do not use my credit card or the balance in the credit card beyond 1 to 3%. So basically I use maximum of 9% from that credit card. So I'm just going to give an instance here. The first credit card I got was $1,000 limit. So in every month or statement, I ensure that my utilization does not exceed $100, right? So which is about 10% or less. So basically, and the way that helps is because if your credit utilization is quite low, then of course that also contributes about 30 to 80 points to your credit score. So this is one of the first strategy that I used, and that helped me to start building my credit score very fast. And then the second strategy is never to miss a payment. Okay, so I ensure that my payment is made promptly, right? So if you make payment before the statement date, okay, so that is a great way to help you build your credit score, not the due date. Okay, so statement date is different from the due date. I ensure that I make my payment before the statement date. So on the statement date, this will be the amount carried on that statement date will be the amount that is reported by your financial institution to the credit bureau, right? So that shows how much you're owing, and then also shows your credit utilization percentage. So if you can pay down the whatever you're owing to perhaps maybe $5 or thereabout before the due date, that would be a great way to start. So that helped me. I always pay down my balance before the due date. So that helped me a great lot, because this, if you miss payment, right, that also can impact the credit score. You know, about 35% of your credit score can be impacted, right? So making payment on time contributes 35% to your credit score, right? So that helped me, and that strategy is the second strategy that helped me. And the third strategy that helped me was accepting pre-approval of credit limit increase. Okay, so if just going to give an example again with my first credit card. So I had $1,000 as my credit limit, and then with this strategy in place, the bank began to trust me because my history is showing that I make payment on time, I have low utilization, so they pre-approved me for a credit limit increase from $1,000 to $4,000 as the new credit limit increase. So that strategy also helped because I accepted that credit limit increase, and my daily or monthly utilization did not change, right? So I maintain less than $100 utilization, and also pay down just before the statement date, and so that didn't change. But now I have a higher credit limit, and so that also helped to then lower my utilization further down, and this also helped to boost my credit score. So having a pre-approval of credit limit increase and also pre-approval of a new credit card is great, because then there's no hard inquiry on your credit check, right? So when they do a credit check on you, it's going to be soft credit check because this is already pre-approved, and so having that in your profile or having that addition is a good way to go, and that helps with your credit score. Okay, so that is the third strategy. And of course, fourth strategy that helped me is to avoid frequent inquiry, right? So, applying for more credit, maybe car loans or additional credit card or even line of credit, frequent request or application for credit, right? That will prompt the institution to do a hard credit check on you, right? And so every hard credit check impacts your credit score. So what I did was to avoid having frequent credit check, hard credit check done on me, right? So at least once in every 6 months is good. So that helped with my credit score. And that strategy is something I consider that contributed also to me building my credit score very fast. And then, of course, the card history also helped me, right? So the bank I started with, I started with $1,000. Other banks also, I was like getting a pre-approved for an amount of $7,000, but then I didn't go for that, right? Even though I have a lower credit limit on my original card. Keeping that card, the original card, because I was already building history on that card, so keeping the card is great because then it shows on your credit history. Because you've been paying, you have good payment on those cards, you've been keeping the card for long, so that helps. Once you close an old card, that also impacts your credit history, right? Because then those history that the card has built is then completely wiped away, right? So that is completely gone from your history. But keeping those cards, especially if there's no monthly payment on those cards, you can keep the card, just ensure that the card is active. You can put a revolving monthly payment on it, say maybe streaming services, you have maybe Netflix or something like that, and then set up automatic payments, to pay that, even if it's just $5 that goes, every month or thereabout from that card, just to keep the card active. So keeping my old credit card, right, for long helped me to, keep that credit history and also build my credit score even much faster. And so the next strategy that helped me is having a credit mix, right? So at the time, I then applied for personal line of credit, okay, because I needed that for a good reason. And then during the application, of course, there's going to be a hard check done on me, right? So, but the hard credit check done on me is going to be a temporary impact. But the benefit of having that credit line and having that utilization and all of that also helped to build my credit score, and that helped me greatly because the hard credit check was way after 9 months, of getting the previous card. So that wasn't really a significant impact on me. But then over time, because I used the line of credit, I must pay back the money, and of course my credit card utilization is also low. And so that also helped to build my credit score. So these are some of the strategies that helped me, even as an immigrant here in Canada, to build my credit score very fast, drastically. And this is something I want to share. I know someone out there might be struggling to build a credit card or to build a credit score rather, and to maintain a good credit score. So this is what helped me. I hope this is going to help someone out there. I hope that this is something that will help to turn around your credit score and boost it into something positive for you. Please leave a comment down below if you find this information very helpful. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel to help and support me and to help me to grow. Thank you very much, and bye. I'll see you in my next video.